All right, we're going to go through this dead bug isometric exercise that's going to try to get the psoas muscle, which is our major hip flexor, but also supports our spine, to activate and start to build some strength, and we're loading it through there. So you're going to take a physio ball it's not too big. This isn't as big as one that I would sit on. I think this one is 45 centimeters. I'm not positive, but one that's not too big. And you're going to lay down on your back. I'm just going to move my hair out of the way. And you're going to place the ball right on your belly, because your arms and your legs are going to come up into kind of like a reverse tabletop, or what we call dead bug position. Now, while you're here, the tendency would be to have your legs up and maybe like tuck. But because we're trying to isolate the psoas muscle and really isolate the hip flexor, I'm going to ask you to almost like let your pelvis dip this way, and almost like if you were sticking your tail out. So when you have the ball up, you're good. When you have the ball up, you're going to be up like this. You're going to inhale, and then on your exhale, draw those low abdominals in, and I'm pressing down into the ball and up into the ball with my legs. And at the same time, not allowing my back to flatten. You want to make sure you have a little bit of space in that low back to hold that position. And then you could come down. So this is a relatively hard exercise to hold. You'll get tired. But again, the key points are you want to feel like the ball and your legs, you're pushing equally up and down into the ball. So you have that force coming through there. And one of the big things is making sure your back is not flattened, but there's a little bit of space through there in that low sacral kind of lumbar area, because that's what's going to help you isolate those hip flexor psoas muscles. Okay, so again, inhale, exhale, let your tail arch a little bit as you hold, but you're drawing those abdominals inward. And then let go and take a break.